Right guys, so back to another vlog. This is what we're looking at. We are in August now, so this is the August meet. Got a lot of cars here today, and unfortunately we are taking up a bit of space on the road, which we never want to do, but we haven't had a lot of choice. But we've got some wicked bits of kit here today, so I'm just going to give a bit of a wander around, try and keep the camera a bit more stable than I did last month. But I love a John Cooper Works, it's very cool. That is really cool. Static as well. It's on factory airbag, LS430. Very cool bit of kit. Nice big Brembos in there as well. I've got a lot of time for that, it's very cool. 80s Landy, always lovely bit of kit, always tidy. And we've got some hiding around the back today. So last month we didn't have near as many, but Cayman GTS 4 litre, very nice bit of kit, very fast. Aero deck, always cool to see, with leather interior. This is Dan, very cool guy, nice guy. S4 cab, very rare, in the UK anyway. Another MR2. And we've got Matt's beast over here. So Matt's got quite a few cars here. And then we've got them hiding around the corner. Don't worry guys, I'll leave you alone. So, very cool, this is lovely, got some really nice bits of Nismo on it, which is always cool.
I don't know whether it's the case.
We've got a few bikes here today, which is nice. I often get a lot of bikes come down, so it's cool to see some. And then we got He-Man's M3, very cool. Lots of carbon on Heem's M3. Very quick, very raughty, sounds of tits. We've got Benz TT. TT Quattro Sport I think it is, and again really nice bit of kit. It's got the Recaro pole positions in there. Very cool Lotus Turbo, got a lot of time for this. Very cool bit of kit.
You've been welding on the sleeve.
Okay, just going back to mine. Yeah, this is incredible. This is a lovely bit of kit. Been very lucky with this today. Yeah, it's not often you see that kind of effort going into them. We're gonna have a look in the back of this because again, very cool. I had a quick chat with the owner. Running about 450 brake, big turbo on it. Borg Warner, I think he said it was a 75/60 on it. So again, big numbers for a small car. Got a lot of time for a Fiat Coupe, very cool bit of kit. This one I'm guessing is the start of a restoration, or at least I hope it is. There's Mike's 32 GTR. This is the one that I get to use. I look after this, I love it, it's a wonderful car. There's a lot of people over here, let's have a look, let's see why.
When it was the old Forfeit,
what we've got hiding under here.
it was all marked.
Very tidy engine bay, lovely that is.
Yes.
This is very cool, this is on air as well. Have a quick look at the back end of it, see what we can see. Very cool, nice little install on that, very tidy install on it as well. But yeah, got a lot of time for that.
Oh yeah. Oh god.
It's very nice. Got some really cool bits of kit hiding down here as well. It's a real one. I love these. It's a lovely bit of kit. Got a lot of time for those as well. Very cool skyline hiding down here as well. Got a lot of time for a 3.3. I love a 3.3. Everybody raves about 3.4s and 3.2s, but personally 3.3 for me, absolute winner. Fight me, I don't care. I think the 400R is the best skyline they ever made. Steve, one of the guys who runs the event with me, his Scala, we are going to do a feature on this at some point, is every part of it is pretty much bespoke, so that's really cool. I mean, look at that, isn't it cool? And Steve knows, he knows where it's at. So this is Tim's. It's very cool. He was here last month, and we do love it. It's very good. Very nice bit of kit. And then we had this just turn up. This is very cool. Ford Pop, I think. It's maybe a small block V8. Not 100% sure. Very cool. Nice bit of kit. Looks pretty mint as well.
So my friend Ryan, yeah, he was.
This is really cool. Don't know who bought this, but yeah, a lot of time for that. And then we got Paul brought his Aston down, which is absolutely lovely. As always, Howard Brothers bringing the best of the best. Check them out. Bodywork needs, paintwork needs. They know their stuff. These guys know it. How you doing, my man? You alright? Love a Civic. Very cool. This is very cool. On air. Got a lot of time for this as well. A lot of time for this. Very cool. We've got Amy's Supra. We've got Sierra XL4 4x4. And bring it back down to the skyline. Back where we started. Supposedly there's a few more bits coming down. But yeah. And this is very nice. Got a lot of time for this as well. Brand new 2022 Aprilia. Beautiful bike. I love that matte yellow as well. It looks lovely. So Conrad just turned up on this brand new Harley Davidson 22 plate. It is a bit of kit. Look at this. She's lovely. Got a lot of time for this. Very nice. Back to this bag merch. I love it. So just trying to get a bit more footage for everybody. This is just rocked up late, but I think the term is fashionably late. This is very cool. Got a lot of time for this. A lot of time for this.
He will be able to tell you where to find it. or he'll have one on the shelf already.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Will you take the